Isabel Salgado, and you're watching me today because I know that I haven't been doing Vlogmas, and I'm coming out with a whole new video responding to why I didn't do that and all that. So if you guys are wondering, I will be doing that someday today probably, and I'll be uploading it someday this week. But I wanted to tell you guys that I will be doing a new video that is involved with these guys over here. If you don't know what these are smooshmellows. Now I have a collection here because I got a bunch of them for Christmas. You guys might remember this one specifically. If you watched one of the first videos I made, he was in there, and I got him on my clothing haul for my birthday. And now on Christmas, I got a bunch of them, except for this guy. I got a bunch of them, and I'm really excited to tell you guys my collection. But that will be a whole other video, and I will be recording that and doing a video for that later on. But yeah, guys, so today's video is going to be awkward situations at school, which all of us have to go through sometimes, made with these. So the characters will be these guys, and I'll be doing it with them, and I'll be showing you guys like awkward situations and like that. So like, comment, and subscribe down below if you want more videos like this. And yeah. Awkward situation number 1, Secret Santa. So, who'd you get? I got Trixie over there, and I think she'll like my gift. Oh, what'd you get her? Oh, I'll show you right now. Just let me go give it to her. Oh my god, I hope it's so nice. She really got you something pretty. Okay. First up, here you go. I got you this. It's you know, it's a little bit, but I got you that. Oh, got you some water. Oh, pretty, I guess. What happened? Did she not like the gift? Well, I guess, whatever. I got a gift. So immature. Awkward situation number 2, picture day. Okay, first up, Trixie. Here. Alright, sit behind the wall and you'll take a picture. Smile. Perfect. Next. Alright, get ready. Smile. And last. Ruby. 1, 2, 3. Achoo! Oh no. Do you want to take the picture? Oh great, the school day's over. My picture's gonna look horrible. Awkward situation number 3, lunch. Alright, can the next person come up with their ID? Here you go. Okay, find a place to sit. Great, everybody took the spots. Now I gotta go sit at the other table. Great, by myself. Oh my god, so, yeah, oh yeah, why is he sitting by himself over there? I don't know, he's weird. And plus, I don't think there's any room anyways. Awkward situation number 4, gym. Alright, everybody, we're going to be doing the pacer test, so get ready. I hope none of you guys are wearing your sweaters, because we're going to be sweating a lot. So everybody, get in a straight line, and we'll start the pacer test. Okay, thank you, everyone. Now, let's get started. Alright, first up, whale. Next, unicorn. And, you. Oh, and drama. You. I'm sweating. Teacher? Nope, you gotta finish it. Oh my gosh. Okay, great job, everybody. Except for you, drama. Great job, everybody. And hopefully you guys got nice and exercised. This will be in your grades. Oh, do you guys smell that? Yeah, it smells like... Yeah, guys, anybody want to switch? Matter of fact, I think I need to use the bathroom. Yeah, me too. Did you smell that? Yeah, it was drama, and he barely ran. Whatever. You know, awkward situations. Awkward situation number 5. Class partners. Okay, class, thank you for waiting so patiently. We will begin in math, and I want all you guys to get a partner because this assignment will be very hard. So everyone, pick a partner. Starting with you, Drama. Who do you want? Can I have Trixie? Then you two guys are a partner. Remember, no goofing around. Ruby? Please choose me. Please choose me. Please choose me. I know she's gonna choose me. Unicorn. Oh, yes. Oh, I forgot. We have an uneven number in the classroom. Then you can work it by yourself for this assignment. But I thought you said it was hard. Yeah, totally. It's not hard. Just, you'll do great. You gotta learn how to do things by yourself sometimes. I guess. Alright guys, did you guys like the video? I know I had fun making this video with all you guys. Hope you guys liked today's video. And if you want more of these videos or you want to suggest another thing, comment down in the comments below and tell me what you guys want to see next. Bye guys!